Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage dual SIM settings in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to manage your dual SIM settings, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your device settings from here and then select connections. And here just look for SIM manager, just tap on it. And here you can easily manage your dual SIMs. Here you can see I have two SIMs in my phone. Now if you want to disable anything, you can easily disable it from here. Just toggle it off to disable that SIM. And here your preferred SIM setting, you must have to tab on calls if you want to change your preferred SIM for your calls. And here same for messages and mobile data. You can easily select which one you want, and here just tap on more sim settings to get more sim settings here. And here data switching and backup calling. If you are using data and you are receiving any calls, so your phone automatically turned off your data, so you must have to enable that setting. So after that your mobile data will be automatically changed to the second sim. So in this way you can easily manage your all dual sim settings in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.